How to use Avvo legal representation matching properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think finding a lawyer on Avvo is as simple as clicking Match Me, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to mismatched representation, wasted time, or costly legal setbacks. The first mistake is not providing complete case details. Avvo uses your information to match lawyers. Beginners who leave out critical facts may be paired with attorneys lacking the right expertise. Another common error is overlooking lawyer credentials and reviews. Avvo provides ratings, practice areas, and client feedback. Beginners who ignore these can end up with inexperienced or poorly reviewed attorneys. Many users also fail to clarify fees and billing arrangements. Legal representation can be hourly, flat fee, or contingency-based. Beginners who skip discussing costs risk unexpected charges. Ignoring communication preferences is another pitfall. Some lawyers prefer email, others calls or in-person meetings. Beginners who don't confirm communication styles may experience delays or frustration. Finally, some users assume matching guarantees representation. Avvo introduces you to lawyers, but it doesn't replace due diligence. Beginners who skip interviews or consultations risk hiring the wrong attorney. To use Avvo legal representation matching properly, provide full case details, review lawyer credentials, clarify fees, confirm communication preferences, and interview candidates before committing. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll find the right attorney efficiently and confidently.